here today at Birmingham at Think Tank. We're expecting 30 members of the public, and they've been invited along to two events, one today and then one following next week, and they'll be discussing geoengineering. The work's being funded by the Natural Environment Research Council, and really the purpose of it is to understand initial tests to see what the public, how they react to the ideas of geoengineering and the different technologies that we're going to be discussing today which are involved.
There's no right or wrong answer here. It's just as long as we can find out what people think about these things, that's what's important. It's not that they agree with them or disagree with them, it's what do they think about them.
I think it's been interesting because I've not known anything about geoengineering, so just learning a bit more about what the science world is trying to do. It gives us some background which we can go away and tell our children and tell our families and so on, and spread the word a bit more, you know.
It's been quite educational so far. There have been a lot of things that have been mentioned that I didn't realise, like the way that we could take it out of the atmosphere, but then it's quite worrying because these people are doing these tests and experiments and things like that. You just don't know what the adverse effects are going to be and how it's going to affect us all in the planet. It's just kind of like an eye-opener in that way, because you need to hear both sides of the story, you need to hear both arguments, you need to hear the negative and the positive effects. But some of them are quite scary, like they're reflecting the sunlight, and I just don't know if I agree with that. I think that's something that's a natural occurrence, and whether it should be stopped is... I don't know what kind of effects that would have, but obviously we'll be told about them later on.
I came here not knowing anything really, but I'll go away knowing a lot more. And the more people that can take part in these seminars, the better.